Andreas. Viewers, today I want to discuss a very burning, very hot issue that borer in all the crops of Kharif season, they are out of control. They are not in control. Why? I do believe this is effect of that environmental changes, El Nino, La Nino. And do I believe that there's also effect of solar plates? There is no study on this that I may sure that this is effect of this. But the crops are very disturbed. Farmer is going to control the borer in all the crops, not in maize, not in rice, not in sugarcane, and all other vegetables also, and fodder crops also. Now, in previous year, in Kharif season, we are cultivating this sort of crops like maize, like rice, like sugarcane, like different vegetables. But this year, this is quite amazing that sometimes there is drastical decrease in temperature and sometimes that is very high, reaching up to 40 degrees centigrade in this years, in this time, which is very damaging, which is very crucial for rice. Bhusa basmati, that is on testing stage. You know, Bhusa basmati is already very sensitive to high temperature, and the people they are cultivated in early of July, they are severely hit by this temperature, and the damaging factor will be more than the hybrids because hybrids and fines they got resistance against temperature, but the Bhusa basmati, all the 15, 1509 and all the Bhusa types 1847, they are very sensitive to high temperature. That's why we decided, that's why we advise you to cultivate in mid of July so that when they are at a tasseling stage, flowering stage, then temperature may drop to 30 degrees centigrade, or at least beyond 35. But temperature going beyond 40 is drastically damaging for that flowering crop. Now in maize, another issue that is a very burning issue, the borer of all types. In maize, that may be fall armivarum, that may be stem borer. In sugarcane, that may be top borer, Gurdaspur borer, stem borer, root borer. In rice, the stem borer, all the other borers, the affecting rice crop, they are not out of control. We are applying granule application and they are yet out of control. That's why we are looking that rice tillers are dying out. They are very effectively dying out by that the damage of that borer. The same is the case in maize. You know, we apply a single spray previous years and that was okay. Then we apply granule and maize was okay. But now the maize is not okay. And keep it clear, this year two minimum, sprays very effective. CTPR plus leufinuran, imamectin, at least 50 ml per machine. When you apply CTPR, apply plus 50 ml of leufinuran or imamectin. You will apply then that is under control for a week, not more than week. Two applications of spray and granule treated by some very effective insecticide like leufinuran, like imamectin, not chlorpyrifos, not lambda. Some people are treating it with lambda or chlorpyrifos or organophosphate group or pyrethroid. They are not effective. The effective is imamectin, leufinuran, or CTPR, chlorotraniliprole. You are looking this maize. This is severely hit by the borer, and we have to separate twice, and then we apply a granule application treated by some leufinuran. Then it's going to be okay. Now the question is that whether one application of granules in rice or in maize or in sugarcane, they are sufficient to control that borer? No. Question is no. This year they are at least not controllable. You must have to repeat it. Otherwise, this will be create a huge damage when the maize crop will be at its flowering stage, rice crop will be at its flowering stage, and sugarcane height will be at 12, 10 or 12 foot. Then you are not able to control it by spray because that is not reachable at that time. So that's why I am observing this is climatic change severely, drastically hitting these crops, kharif crops, and you must have to save it according to the wisdom Allah has provided to us. We cannot eradicate, we cannot control it, but we can minimize it by applying our best efforts by the consultancy of different experts in agriculture. You cannot apply without the consultancy of expert in agriculture, you can apply it by the consultancy of that agriculture officer or TSO or your supervisor, so that you will be able to control that. This is my advice, that never let the crops alone. You must support them, because the damage at the flowering stage you are unable to control it by spray or by any other means. This is my wording, that the drastically decrease or increase fluctuation in temperature causing huge factor for the epidemiology developed by the for the growth of these stem borers, different borers in different crops. So we must have to keep it alive. We must control the borers. Now on rice I will make an other vlog, that how you can control the BLB, and you how you can control the aphid as well. Allah Hafiz.